Boom! How's it going over there, beautiful souls? I hope you are all having a really happy and wonderful day today. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss show once again. I'm super excited to have you here with me, and I am grateful for all of my beautiful subscribers being here with me on this channel. We are about to smash 300 subscribers. So thank you to all of you, special souls. You're the reasons I'm doing these videos, and thank you very much for being here with me today. Awesome. Make sure to stay tuned and watch the rest of the videos that I'll be launching. This is the first video that I'll be doing as part of a new playlist and a new series on the channel. So keep your eyes posted and hit that notification bell so that you know when I do more of these kinds of videos on the show today. In the future, excuse me. And yeah, if you are a trader, of course, you know that I've got a Bybit link down below where you can go and click that link and go straight using my link, get yourself a Bybit trading account, and only do this if you know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, don't use it. But you can get yourself $30,000 deposit, and you can make yourself some really good trades, make some money, take some profits, put some back into earn, etc., and you could have yourself a really phenomenal time ahead and build your wealth one step at a time. So with that being said, guys, thank you yet again. And if you are not a trader, do not use the link. Okay, go and learn how to trade first, and go and find some courses and see what it is that you can do together there. So let's build a beautiful and wonderful channel together where we can make an abundance of magic happen together, guys. So in today's show, what I have for you is a very, very awesome gaming coin. It is probably the #1 gaming coin that is out there, and I'm sure you guys already know what it is, but it is the leader, and yeah, we're gonna go and have some fun. Let's go and see what it is. Well, none other than SANDBOX. Amazing. I love SANDBOX very much. I do have SANDBOX myself, so that you guys know as my community. This is certainly a much more of a long-term hold for me. I do trade it on Bybit as well every now and then when I see breakouts, etc., and I'm going to talk to you about that in a chart now. But basically, this coin is sitting at 46. Interesting, on my previous video I did Phantom, which is sitting at 45, so these two are pretty much cuddling each other. And SANDBOX is sitting at 72 cents today. It's sitting on 250,000 people's watch lists. It's circulating. Its market cap is 1.14 billion. Trading volume 179 million. The fully diluted is 2.1 billion. Maximum supply is 3 billion. Total supply 3 billion. Circulating supply 1.6 billion basically so far. Here's the website, guys. You can come over and look at the website. You can add it to your MetaMask, your Ethereum, your etc. What is this wallet? I don't even know. Don't know. Not going to click on it right now. But as you can see, its previous all-time high was $8.40, which we are 91.4% down from. We are also up 2,382% from November 4th. Gosh, I wish I'd bought it back then, because I was already in the market since January 2020, but I didn't know about it. So yeah, that's when all about the crypto space is when you come into the market, when you exit the market, when you know who you're listening to, why you're listening to them, and the facts that these people are bringing to you. And this is the important information, and this is why I do these videos in this specific way, so that you can relate it to market cap value and previous all-time high value. And as you can see here, the volume at that point was nearly 2 billion in volume when it was at the top. Okay, look at the trading volume now. Okay, that's 10x lower. So that's saying something to us, guys. We've got definitely a 10x point to get to on this at the very, very least. So you can see how it's smashed up, and you are still in profits because of this little run up here. So what is SANDBOX, guys? Well, SANDBOX is an incredible and absolutely beautiful game that you can come and play. It's a Web3 game. You can come and play SANDBOX. You've got your own avatar. You can play. There's maps. There's shops. You can create. You can earn. There's a community. There's info. Guys, this project is amazing. It's mad. It's really cool. So you can play SANDBOX. You can invest in land. You can buy NFTs. You can build your own avatars and play with them and meet other people in the metaverse. And yeah, you can pretty much, as I say, become a landowner. You can browse a map. Who have these people partnered with? Okay, well, they've partnered with Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, Hell's Kitchen, Roller Coaster Tycoon World, Adidas, Deadmau, South China Morning Post, Atari, Care Beans, Avangro, Richie Horton, Blondish, Animoca Brands. Huge, guys, huge. We all know that. The Smurfs, and so much more, guys. Own the future. Visit the marketplace and discover how to own NFTs that can basically you can use to play with and trade with as well. Have you got any SANDBOX? SANDBOX is the utility token to buy the land, the assets, and invest in staking pools. So if you've got SANDBOX, you can come over here and pretty much do what you can. Let's go and see how much staking rewards you get on here on the website. Ooh, I have to connect my wallet, which I'm not going to do right now on the channel. We all know why, but I'll go and check that out. But basically, you can come over here and you can have a look at this. This project has got crazy people involved with it. This is what the land looks like. Reward pool, Meta Green. So this is a special event. Learn about sustainability and earn sand rewards in Regal Hotels Group Experience Meta Green. So reward pool's 50,000. So we can play this. You can add basically your sand tokens to the pool, and it would be a staking pool, and then people get to use the crypto, and you then rewarded a percentage of what those people earn and make from the platform. Pretty freaking cool, wouldn't you say so? Now let's go and have a look at the chart. Boom, the proper chart. Okay, so as you can see, we've fallen down substantially here. We've got lower lows and lower highs essentially. So essentially we're still in a bear market with sand, and we're overbought. And as you can see here, from the peak to where we are now kind of coincides together with a resistance level. So the moment we break the resistance level on the RSI here is the moment that this coin is going to pump. Now guys, I see this coin only having really 3 levels of resistance. The first one being at $1.45, the second being in this area here at about $3, and then the fourth being at the $4.75 level. At that, from this point here, guys, I think SANDBOX can bust up. So just by investing $1,000 here today, and it hits that price up here, the all-time high, you would take $1,000, you would 8x your money and convert it into $8,000. That's pretty good, okay? So 8x on your gain, okay? And we're going to go and see that shortly. But what I wanted to show you was the Fibonacci, because if we had to draw the Fibonacci, and I've been doing this now properly on all of my videos, and as you can see, what is the maximum potential gain that is possible on this crypto in the near future, okay? Near-ish, like medium to long term, of course, guys. And what I'm saying is probably in the next bull run, because if we can make spike ups like this, crash like this, we can make a spike up like this and probably crash down probably to this all-time high again. So it'll never come back down to the prices that it's at. It'll probably be about 10x from where it's at right now, at the all-time low, once it reaches that bear market low again. But the all-time high here, let's call it $34.50. A mad gain, absolutely mad. Now let's go and have a look at the numbers. Market cap 1.142 billion, price 7.19. If you invested 10,000, you get nearly 14,000 coins. Its all-time high was $8.40. That's an 11.6 ratio. And if I was to do this would be my personal accumulation goal over the course of this year. Not close, but I will work on it, guys, and I will get that to that point. That would cost me that, and when it hits these prices, I would then get that. So do you want the same? Yes, I'm pretty sure that you do. So if this ever hit this $10 billion market cap, which it could, we would, which it already has, as I said, we would have a $6.30 price, which would nearly 9x your money. Could it hit $100 billion? Hell yeah, I definitely believe so. So like I said, there's the nearly $63 price. That would 87 extra money. You would turn 10,000 into 875,000. So how many SANDBOX coins would you need to become a millionaire at the $100 billion market cap? Well, you would need to spend $11,420 today, and you would get about just under 16,000 coins in order to get you $1 million when it hits that market cap price. Could it do that? I'm pretty sure it could. Could it ever hit $1 trillion market cap? Who knows in the future? Gaming is becoming a very, very big thing, and it's just getting bigger and bigger. And with the metaverse and Web3 opening up, it's going to get even bigger. So let's just say for now it hits the $100 billion market cap in the next bull run. Pretty sure it could. That's almost a 10x, from its all-time high to that price. So that's almost double what the Fibonacci is saying. So maybe 50 billion. Again, I don't know, you don't know, but at the end of the day, the numbers tell us. The math is very simple. It tells us targets where you can seek to take profits on the prices of the coins, okay, so that you don't get up here to the $63 price and then it falls on your ass all the way back down to $6.30. That would have been a waste of your money, right? And a waste of your profits. So take profits, sell. If I had 10,000, I'd probably sell 8,000 at that price, and then I'd leave the other 2,000 and I'll wait for the rest to reaccumulate. So very interesting strategy, and you should consider that strategy too. And if you want to know more about that kind of strategy, let me know in the comments below, and I'll share how to work on that strategy a little bit better together. Thank you for being here on my channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, share my content, hit that